It's another edition of the Trading Tips video newsletter, teaching you how to become a successful trader in less than 5 minutes per week. The video newsletter is brought to you by TradingTips.com.
Welcome to this TradingTips.com video newsletter on engulfing lines, short-term reversal patterns on candlestick charts. In this video, you will learn how to recognize both bullish and bearish engulfing lines, what they mean, and how to trade them. Let's begin. Here is an example of a bullish engulfing line. Now first I want to review a term from a previous episode, and that is real body. Candlesticks, like those in this slide, represent a stock's opening and closing prices, as well as its intraday highs and lows. The stock's high is symbolized by the highest point on the candlestick, the line sticking up from the box. The stock's low is, obviously, the lowest point on the candlestick. The box is properly known as the candlestick's real body. The top of the real body represents either the stock's opening or closing price for that day, as does the bottom. The way you know which, top or bottom, represent the high or low is by the coloring of the real body. In black and white examples, white represents a closing price that's higher than the opening price, and black represents a closing price that's lower than the opening price. Thus, for the candlesticks that are white in this example, the top of the box, or real body, represents the closing price, while the bottom represents the opening price. For the candlesticks with real bodies that are black, the top of the box represents the opening, while the bottom represents the close. Keep in mind that in color charts, green is sometimes used in place of white, and red is sometimes used in place of black. Well, with all this in mind, what do you notice about the final real body in this chart, and how it differs from the previous real body? First off, the final real body is white, while the previous real body is black. That alone is not enough to symbolize a bullish engulfing line. A second important criterion is that the final real body is taller than the previous one on both ends. This means that its closing price, or real body top, is higher than the previous day's open, and that its opening price, symbolized by the real body bottom, is lower than the previous day's close. What this means is that the stock started out lower than the previous day's close, but then shot higher to close above the previous day's opening price. But even this is not enough to be a bullish engulfing line. The formation must come at the end of a downtrend. When it does, it quite likely predicts a reversal. There are three things that increase the likelihood of a bullish engulfing line representing a pending reversal. First, the longer and more pronounced the inbound bearish trend, the greater chance of a reversal. Secondly, the greater the difference in size between the final candlestick's real body and the previous day's real body, the greater chances of a reversal. And finally, if the final candlestick can engulf multiple candlesticks instead of just the previous day's, this is the most bullish sign of all. Engulfing lines can also be bearish. To identify a bearish engulfing line, simply reverse all of the criteria discussed in the previous slides. For example, the bearish engulfing line comes at the end of an uptrend, and the final candlestick is black while the previous candlestick is white. However, as it is an engulfing line, it does need to engulf the previous day's candlestick, as shown. In conclusion, engulfing lines are very easy to spot and highly accurate short-term reversal patterns. You just have to know what to look for. We hope you've enjoyed this TradingTips.com video newsletter. Thanks for watching and good trading.
This Trading Tips video newsletter has been brought to you by Manny Backus's First Hour Trading System. Every day there's money to be made in the first hour of stock trading. This is the world of day trading, not for novices, unless you have a system. The First Hour Trading System. Visit firsthourtrading.com now and sign up for a free 30-day trial. You could make enough in the first hour of your day to take the rest of the day off. Do you want to view more Trading Tips videos? Visit TradingTips.com. Sign up for our free video newsletters. Become a successful trader by visiting TradingTips.com.